In this video, you will learn about my, your, his, her, our, and their. This topic is a part of pronouns. As learned earlier, possessives are words used to show ownership by a person, animal, thing, or groups of nouns. My, your, his, her, our, and their are possessives. For example, my ice cream, your shoes, her pet, and our country. Use my, you, his, her, our, and their to show that a thing is owned by a person, animal, or a group of nouns. For example, that is our house. Or they washed their hands. Or for relations and friends. For example, my mother is a doctor. Or how old is your sister? And for parts of the body. For example, he broke his arm. Or she is washing her hair. My, your, his, her, our, and their is always used before a noun. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs can be used to take the place of a noun. Remember, they are not the same. These words show ownership but cannot be used before a noun. For example, Rita loves playing her guitar. This guitar is hers. Hers replaces the noun Rita. It means the guitar belongs to Rita. Let us look at another example. Jay is talking about his things. This shirt is Jay's. This tie is Jay's. These pants are Jay's. A better way of saying it is, this shirt, tie, and pants are mine. Or, these clothes are mine. Mine replaces the noun Jay. Instead of saying, these are my sports shoes, they are not your sports shoes, you can say, these are my sports shoes and not yours. Now you know how to use my, your, his, her, our, and their.